Hey, this is Steve Loudon back again, and I want to let you guys know I've done it. It took me a couple weeks to make it, but I am one of the very first to make a business for you guys. So you can pick and choose what you want to offer for free affiliate marketer. It doesn't matter if you're a retiree, a college student, you have a full-time job, you don't have a job. I don't care. This is free affiliate marketing that I made for you guys. Don't spend a penny. Build a business on what you want to do, because if you find something that you want to do, you're going to be successful. So let's go ahead and dive in, and let me show you the website real quick, and we'll come right back. Here it is, guys. You just go to my website, esloudinternational.com. When you see this page, you are here. And now it's right here. Welcome. Let's get started. Benefiting all marketers, retirees, college students, any level, any person. It's free affiliate marketing. Nobody else has what I have here for the way that I'm training it. So go ahead and click the free training. Start here, the blue button on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And it's going to take you to this page, right? Your free affiliate marketing ebook and step-by-step training, guys. I made all of this for you. There's nothing involved. You don't have to put your name or emails in. It's free. Just come directly in, watch this video first, and then get your free ebook. Read it. It's very short so you can understand it. And then for your training, steps 2, 3, and 4. Step 2 talks about how to get your affiliate link and your niche, so that way you're finding something that you like to offer, you want to promote, instead of anybody else telling you what you have to do. Enough is enough of that. So for the next one, step 3, I explain step by step in detail on many different ways you can advertise your affiliate link for your own company, so you can start making money as an affiliate marketer. So by probably in about an hour's time, you will have all this stuff set up, guys. And here's a little thank you video at the very end. So thank you very much, and let's get back to the video. Guys, do you see just how easy it is to start affiliate marketing for free? Get your own business starting now. Pick what you want to do, not what everybody else tells you. You have to join this, you have to join this, and spend hundreds of dollars or even thousands. No, it's enough is enough. Free affiliate marketing, guys. You can't beat that. Share this page with other people that can definitely, use a free affiliate marketing to start a business and to start making money to supplement and pay all your bills. I show you step by step. You can't beat it, guys. So come by ES Loud International, guys, and go ahead and get your training. It's free. Come by and just take a look. That's all I ask. Come by and take a look, and I guarantee you'll be impressed.